all. So I'm back today with another video for you all, and this is about my top 5 picks for powder cleansers that I love the most. So if you're my follower from long, I'm sure you would know how much I love using powder cleansers in my routine, and there are a few reasons why I really cannot get away without using powder cleansers in my routine. One, I am really addicted to the even skin tone that a powder cleanser can give you. You might not realize on the day you use it, but in longer run, whenever you use powder cleansers, you are gently exfoliating your skin on a day-to-day basis, and it is going to help you get that even skin tone. And I also love powder cleansers because they are free from all nasty things along with soap. They do not have this foaming substance which would suck every natural oil from your body. So these are the two main reasons why I love using powder cleansers. But the market is currently filled with so many powder cleansers, so I thought I would make your job easy by talking about the 5 most loved powder cleansers that I really enjoyed using. And all the 5 that I'm going to talk here are going to suit every skin type, but you never know. Please do patch test before you use them. And now let's just get started. So the first powder cleanser that I have emptied 3 bottles and I'm on my 4th is this Tejaswini by Sesha. I really love how simple yet effective this one is, and that is how it looks, and I really enjoy using this a lot. And it is 100% safe because it is natural and preservative free, and if you are looking for that authentic natural one, this is definitely a one for you. It is simple yet very effective, and I trust me, you would be addicted once you start using this one. It would suit all skin types, but make sure you just check the ingredients before you buy, if in case you are allergic to any powder cleanser that I really love using is this one from Wild Organica Home, that is their blush face scrub. So I really love using this in my PM routines twice or thrice a week. It is a multitasker which you can use as a face mask, cleanser and a scrub. It is a little abrasive, so I would not recommend using this every day, but using it twice or thrice a week would definitely give you the difference. And because it has got hibiscus, which is a natural AHA, it is going to show you the good results very soon. So the third powder cleanser that I'm really loving using from the last few weeks is this Pasidi from the Nature Root. It smells the roses and it has got rose petal powder, black gram, green gram, kesari turmeric, red rice, tulsi, neem and vetiver. I really enjoyed using this one. I have also used this one when I have active acne, and it did, calm the inflammation really well. Uh, Minus hibiscus, I really find this very similar to this one and can be used on a day-to-day basis. Powder cleanser that I really love using is this one from Fiducia Botanicals. It is their goat milk and calendula exfoliating scrub. It is very mild and yet very gentle, and it removes very well. The only problem I have with this one is that it leaves an yellow tint, and they recommend using this only in your PM routine. So if you are someone who has very sensitive skin and looking for a powder cleanser, this can be your go-to. This really isn't abrasive at all on your skin, and it has got calendula, oats, amba haldi and other stuff which are really good for acne prone skin too. And my last product that I really want to tell you guys is, in case you have tried all powder cleansers, or if in case you aren't that powder cleanser person but you want to give a try, start with Kasturi Manjal, the musk turmeric from Sesha Beauty. Trust me guys, I mean, I really love using this one as a powder cleanser in my routines when my skin is a lot inflamed, or when I don't have good skin days. This is the one I reach out to. It is a traditionally used as a bath powder for kids, so you can know how well it can suit even a sensitive skin type. And I love using this even as a face wash powder. You can mix a little bit of basin if you want to, but I really love using it just as it is, and it does a real good job. These are my top 5 picks of powder cleansers that I really enjoyed using, and I have been consistently using them from a lot of weeks before I presented them to you. I'm going to leave the links below along with my affiliate codes for few using which you can save some money. And thank you so much for watching, and do let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. And until then, bye.